And turning now to your Weather Authority forecast, a live look from inside IMS, where NASCAR's Brickyard 400, that is, makes a return happening this weekend. But Kendall, good conditions to expect, at least for race weekend. A little bit of a change.
Yeah, a little bit of a change and a much needed change at that. We've been hot, humid, and hazy for the past several days, and we're kicking out all of those conditions just in time for our Wednesday. Second half of the work week into the upcoming weekend, going to be feeling absolutely beautiful, much more pleasant and much more comfortable as well. It was still a touch humid across the area even today, made it up to a high of 87 degrees here in Indianapolis, low 80s for highs in places like Kokomo and Lafayette. We are cooler, most of our temperatures still hovering in the 70s. Notice dry across the area, but still a little bit of haziness, some lingering wildfire smoke still in place across portions of central Indiana. Despite that, we're already improving our air quality. Vast majority of us listed in that moderate category after being in that orange color widespread across the region earlier today. We'll continue to improve things overnight into early tomorrow morning. Those improvements come with the caveat, a couple of showers, maybe a few strong to severe storms we'll need to keep an eye on. A look at those current temperatures, mid to low 70s. Dew point temperatures are rising. It's feeling a lot more humid across portions of the region, especially off to our south. Areas along and south of I-70 have those dew points upper 60s, close to 70 degrees. So feeling borderline uncomfortable, and these numbers, well, they won't be decreasing anytime soon, at least overnight tonight. In fact, they are going to begin to rise as this cold front, which is going to be the forcing mechanism for tomorrow's showers and thunderstorms, continues to make its way in. I'm not anticipating activity to actually make its way into the state until we get into tomorrow morning. Right around 6-7 o'clock, we'll have a couple of these showers, locally heavy downpours and gusty thunderstorms developing. That activity will begin to increase in coverage a little bit closer to 9 o'clock. And then it does look like we'll be able to dry things out as we move into early Tuesday afternoon. Should we break back into sunshine, that's going to allow the atmosphere to destabilize a little bit. It'll give a little bit more fuel for potentially another round of activity to develop in the afternoon. For Tuesday, as I mentioned, we're going to keep an eye on the potential for severe weather. It is really going to be off in southeastern portions of the state that have the best chance of seeing those strong to severe storms. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has us highlighted in that level 2 out of 5 slight risk. As of right now, damaging winds are the primary concern. However, all hazards look to be in play with tomorrow's system. Following that chance for rain, though, that cold front certainly does its magic. Dew point temperatures come crashing down below that 60-degree mark, feeling much more comfortable, and actually we'll be trending below average as we move into our Wednesday by as much as 5 to almost 9 degrees in some locations. Average high 85. We're not expected to make it out of the 70s Wednesday or Thursday. Tonight, 72 degrees our overnight low, not just warm but humid as well, courtesy of that wind out of the southwest. Tomorrow we'll make it up to a high of 87 degrees. Again, keeping on the potential for those scattered showers, potentially a few severe storms as well. And then those improvements move in. There's plenty of sunshine in the forecast Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. By Sunday, we're slowly warming things right back up above average to a high near 90 degrees. It will feel a little bit more humid. Those storms hold until the late evening.